Hi everybody, my name is Maribel and I do unboxing of different subscription boxes that I have purchased with my own money. So in this video I'm gonna do a unboxing on my Alltrue box that I got for winter. So let's get started. There's a little booklet. All is bright 2023. And inside of this it has like the different things that you could choose from the different categories. So this box I liked it, but I think when it comes to like shipping your box, it takes a really long time. It's something that I personally I don't like about this subscription box compared to Alltrue. Compared to fabfitfun. fabfitfun it takes much less time for you to get your box and compared to this one. So just so you know, in case you're planning on subscribing to this subscription box. So yeah. In this I got cosmetic of Affirm antioxidant firm serum. I got a serum for 8 a.m. for the morning and p.m. for the night too. It has vitamin E, H defining your peptide, and it's nice. And this one is, let's see, and this one is in my second choice, the second category that I chose, and it's value of $90, and it's vegan and cruelty free. And it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and fighting fatigue free, which is nice. Nice to be able to get this on box and try it out. And the next thing is this Dr. Botanicals Cocoa Noir Time Reveals Facial Serum. I got another serum. This is a facial serum, and this one is in my third category that I chose, and it's a value of $59, and it's vegan and cruelty free. And has it hydrates your face and plump, leaving the skin nourished and youthful. Nice. And it uses 100% natural and cruelty-free ingredients, which is nice. Definitely be trying this one. So moving on, I got this is a Peony Foot Mask, single use, and I have 5. Comes with 5 of these. Got this in my box. This is how they look. It's nice that I got these ones because I'm happy to get these ones because these ones I only have one left, and I was planning on buying more of these to have them, and I'm happy that I got this one. It has a pack of 5, so I can have extra. So this one, let's see. This one, I think this one is in my 4th category. I think it's a mystery surprise product that I chose because it's not in my other categories that I chose. Because I didn't like the other stuff in that category, so I choose mystery. Sometimes I do choose mystery if I don't like what the other stuff that they have, and I'm happy that I did because I got this one, this that I was planning on buying, and this one is a value of $35, and I'm happy to be able to get this one. So, and I got this is a stress Chech sleep spray, fast active vegan sleep spray in lavender and chamomile essential oils. Next is cruelty-free vegan, and yeah, this one is in my fifth category. This is my 5th category from that I chose, and this has a value of $30. Let's see. It smells. I can't smell the lavender, but I can definitely smell the chamomile oil. That one's kind of strong, not too strong that you cannot like tolerate, but that seems like it smells more than the lavender, but still smells good. I like it. This one I really chose this one because I have trouble sleeping. Sometimes it's hard to fall asleep, and I'm happy to get this one and try it out so that it can help me like fall asleep. Yeah. And I got this body polish body scrub, rejuvenating body polish. It's fully body scrub with as coffee and moringa oil, which is nice. And this one is in my last category, the 6th choice category, and it has a value of $34. If I'm looking over here, it's because I have the little booklet over here, so I can read the description, just so you know. And this has 4 ingredients: Nicaragua coffee, organic sugar, peppermint oil, and cold pressed moringa oil. Nice. I like it. I like it has coffee because I like coffee. And it's vegan, cruelty-free, and sustainable. Nice. Like it. I like body scrubs. Nice. And I'm gonna leave. Now I'm gonna get my my first category is this? A purse. A understandable leather. My first category is a Crescent Clutch understandable leather, and it's a purse. So let me put the other stuff inside and open this. And it comes with this little bag. This is like a silk bag, which is really nice because it matches the bag. The bag is black with white. It matches really good, and it has some little tassels and the sign, which is kind of cute. Well, it is kind of like hard to open it, so it comes with a little chain to put it on, and right here has two, one here and the other one right here, so you can just put one here and the other one here. Just put it on your shoulder, which is nice. It's kind of, it's not too small, but it does fit a lot of stuff inside. Has even the name in here. It's nice because it's black, and black matches with everything, and you can fit quite a lot of stuff in here. Your cell phone, a mirror, some lipstick, you know, some mascara, like when you're going out. Put a couple stuff up here, in here, and it's cute. I like it. I really liked it. And this is a value of 110. So it's vegan and it's cruelty free. It's a vegan leather clutch. Nice. I really like it. So let me know which of the items did you like that I got, and if you are already subscribed to this box, and do you choose anything that I got too in my box? So let me know in your comments below. Thank you. Hopefully you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it a lot. Thank you. Bye.